So last night you were to have read This Fleeting World pages 32 to 37. So you want to please go and label your notes, This Fleeting World pages 32 to 37, or there is a chart in your packet or on the LMS system that you're more than welcome to go ahead and use. So there are 6 general characteristics shared by early agrarian communities. The first basic characteristic is village-based societies. This is the basis of all agrarian societies. I kind of used this analogy before with video games, that this is level 1. You're not going to be able to build to any of the higher levels if you can't master this most basic village-based society. Here, it's going to be affected by the agricultural rhythms of harvesting and sowing. I mean, these are really the things that make farming farming. There's also a need to meet the demand for storage. One of the things that starts to happen here as agriculture becomes more efficient, we start to have a surplus. We start to farm more than we can consume in any one time. So we have to figure out a way to store and preserve something of our harvest for times of need, for maybe when the harvest isn't necessarily so great or during winter, those types of things. There's also a massive need for cooperation within the village-based societies. This very much is going to be a team effort. Everybody is going to be planting, everyone is going to be harvesting, everyone is going to be preserving. This is kind of an all hands on deck thing, because agriculture at this point is not overly efficient. And we also need to manage the relations with outside communities. Now, these outside communities can be other village-based societies. They're also going to be hunters and gatherers or foragers. And we're also going to start to see a new group of people that we'll talk about a little bit later, known as pastoralists. These guys are the ones with the herd animals, like the sheep and cattle that are going to be going from one place to another place in search of water, food, those types of things. And you're going to see that these village-based societies are going to use them for a variety of different things. The second characteristic is demographic dynamism, where the rapid population growth ensured that villages and technologies would eventually spread to all regions. So what ends up going on here is successes breed successes. So because agriculture is successful, that success ensures that it will continue to spread. What happens is that successes continue to succeed where failures are ultimately going to die off. So whether that's a group of people, whether that's a crop, whether that's the biodiversity of the globe at this time, if it's successful, it is bound to spread. And because we have so many people, because we can support so many more people with more food, because remember, more food equals more people, then more people kind of ensures that agricultural technology is bound to continue and spread wherever it is possible for agriculture to happen.